What's up guys, Shamil here, new auto glass and working on 2020 Nissan Armada. And if you work on them, it might be a little tricky for the first time taking off this stuff off. So I just want to let you know there's double-sided tape under the molding. Then there's a screw right here with this cover, and there's another clip right there that the side molding goes into. So let me show you. Alright, so here are the side moldings. So you can see clips. I save all the clips. So what you got to do is pop these clips, then cut the double-sided tape. You see a little scratch there here trying to reach in there, but as long as nothing on the outside. And then there's a screw. But what I do is, instead of taking off the top trim first, I pull out the bottom to the top easily. It will bend the molding a little bit. Just be careful not to crack it. But if you could pull it out from the bottom, then what all you have left is you could go underneath and just pop this out and pop out the this piece too, and then pop that out without unscrewing it, and you will save your side moldings. And then top molding, once you have an access, instead of trying to pop out these out of the channel and breaking them, what you do is just go to one driver or passenger side and pull it towards you. Just keep pulling it, give it a little pressure, and you will save this top trim, because it will slide out of the channel, and you will save all the clips. And then there'll be some leftovers on top. Then you could pull them out and put them back on the molding. So I hope this helps. Just remember, there's 5 pieces of double-sided tape on both sides, clips. Pop those clips out. Then go underneath, cut it with a razor blade or whatever you have. And then again, you pull this side up. It will just bend it easily without breaking it. And then you will have space get in here. You just pop them both out, the clips right here, and you will save all the clips. And it's 2020 Armada. Alright, thank you guys. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, just type in the comments. I'll try to answer. Bye.